We can start from My Cloud Project or from My Computer. Then load the model. This is the processed model. Erase everything that does not correspond to the model, like the ground, trees, etc. There are 5 visualization options. Here are the navigation options. There are other options. Let's start erasing the ground, trees, etc. Choose the kind of selection and shade. We can invert selection. Press SERP. In Lasso Fence, we can draw by points. Press Enter and then SERP. Brush option shades an area to be erased. This is how the model should look. Next step, transform the model. It must be rotated until the blue axis is perpendicular to its front face. The model must be moved until the grid is on the ground. The model must be scaled. Scale and Units, Value. Pick 2 points with a known distance. This distance is 1.47 meters. We see the box is 12.1 meters in X. Previously, it was 22.3 meters. In Edit, we can do other tasks. In Retopologize, other mesh parameters can be edited. Analyze can detect and fix model issues, measure distance, etc. To check, this distance was about 7.90 meters. Export menu allows you to export images, video, and the model. Export the model in FBX format to later be opened by Cloud Compare, and then to create the point cloud data file. Open the file. Look at the left panel. There is a group called Main Mesh. Therefore, it's a mesh. Click on Main Mesh to enable some options. Next, click on Sample Points on a mesh. Leave the defaults. Another group with a point cloud appears, called MainMesh.sampled. Save it in E57 format. In Recap, New Project, Import Point Cloud. Project name. Select Point Cloud to import. Click on Import Files. Click on Index Scans. Click on Launch Project. Save the point cloud in RCP format. This is the model opened in Revit.